Hello, welcome back to the Ghana Travel Channel. Now we are going to the Japanese cemetery in Singapore. So what is so special about going to the cemetery? Okay, actually this Japanese cemetery is a very famous place in Singapore to shoot the sakura blossom. Okay, later we will see. Okay, the nearest place to come here is from the Serangoon MRT. So from the Serangoon MRT need to take another bus around 10 minutes. They need to walk inside another 10 minutes. Around me is the landed place, so we need to go through the road that is surrounded by landed property. The environment is very good. I mean, very calming, not a lot of people around because this is the landed property. We are just like going to some village. So the cemetery is built around late 1800, serve as the burial site for the Japanese resident in Singapore and also for the soldiers that is here in Singapore during the World War II. This is also my first time coming to this place. Oh yeah, and Japanese cemetery is also called as the biggest one in the Southeast Asia. Okay, that is according to the website that I read. So it is very rare to see landed property in Singapore, only in several places. I think you already know that if you live in landed property like this, meaning that you are rich enough to stay in Singapore. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm alone in the cemetery because 1 hour ago it's raining. So when I came, there's two people going out. So now I think I'm alone. Yeah, see? Okay, no Pokemon Go. Notice the Japanese cemetery is a site for those who rest in peace. Please respect them and do not enter the ground for Pokemon Go. No Pokemon Go. Okay, so this is the short history of the cemetery. Okay, it started in the end of 19th century. The permission is on 26th of June. Okay, then used during the World War II. Okay, for the Japanese civilian and also soldier. Okay, rebuilt, and in the end, this has become the Japanese Memorial Park. When the Pacific War ended in 1945, 8,000 Japanese citizens who live in Singapore evacuated to a camp. Okay, so this is the sakura, bro. I think this is a very good spot to take some Instagram picture. But too bad I'm alone here, so I don't think I can take a good picture by myself. We walk inside the flower. It is very, yeah, the sakura really beautiful. What is it looking at? Nothing. What are you looking at? Oh, it's a plane. Hey. This is the information. You can see all is in Japanese. Let's see at the back. Okay, back don't have. So this is the hall for prayer. The name is Mido Hall of Prayer. Oh, now this is the English version. Okay, so this is the open area. Well-known Japanese in Singapore, but who are not buried here. This is the secret agent for the Japanese military, war memorial for those who lost their lives during the Pacific War. And this is the famous novelist who took ill in Russia. This is not a tomb but a memorial. The stone monument, so this is not a grave, so it's only a monument. Russian literary scholar, translator and novelist. I already inside the cemetery for around 1 hour maybe. Yeah. Okay guys, now about the review. Okay, so is it worth it? Okay, if you came here to take Instagram picture, it depends. If you live near around the area, then yeah, you can come here lah. But don't come alone, you need a friend to take a picture for you. It's difficult to take a selfie. Things to do here is only to take picture with the flower, nothing else. Maybe if you want to play with cat, yeah, I see there's 3 cat, 2 yellow and 1 black. Okay, if you want to play with. Okay, maybe a few notes if you want to come here. After you get down from the bus, you can follow the Google map. Okay, just follow the road. Just Google for the Japanese cemetery in Singapore. You can find it. It is not that difficult. Okay, only you need to walk around 10-15 minutes into the landed property. Okay, I think that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I posted a new video. Okay, thank you.